We live. I'm mic'd up again. Let's get into some makeup. First, I'm gonna go ahead and clean off my top of the morning skincare, which is just castor oil all over my brows because it's been growing them, and my lashes, and anywhere else I can get castor oil on. I'm gonna go in with some toner and clean that off. Let's hit some skincare. I don't know why this thing done came to visit me, but it's going down. I got the urge to just, but I'm gonna chill. I'm gonna go in with my brightening Vital C from Image and brighten the skin up. Let's go ahead and tackle this 5 o'clock shadow I got going. My sister just called me out for having one. I like to keep a little stash. Not really. I'm going in with some Bio Silk. I'm gonna go ahead and tackle that. You see that coming down? Look at that. Get that off. Look at that. Look at that new lip. Oh, I'm tempted. Okay, I'm just kidding. Lord, this thing finna act a fool. It was just calling me. We nice and bald. I'm gonna go in with the Intense Brightening Serum from Image. Here we go. I'm first gonna go ahead and prep my brows. I'm using some Ebeam spray to mold those up. We thank God. This gives them the best hold without getting crunchy. I should never mess with that thing on the side of my face. Today's topic, how to get female friends. Okay, let me give you the tips real quick. Number 1, give a girl a compliment. If you see something, say something. If you see a girl out and she's looking beautiful, offer to take a picture. Tell her how nice she looks. If you're in the market for new friends, act like a friend. Number 2, get their Instagram details. Get the deets. Number 3, follows up on Instagram. Stalk their story. Literally, watch their story for months. If you like me, it take me time to see if I'm gonna like somebody for real. So I don't meet somebody and then go out immediately. I gotta meet you, watch you a little bit, and then we go out. And you set up a date, you go out, boom, you like each other, you meet back up. It's no different than dating a guy, honestly. It's funny because I've literally met plenty of women, girls like that. And I have no problem telling anybody like, wow, you look really good. You look super nice. You really put that look together. Okay. They related. Prime. Dab that in. I can remember getting waxed one time. We were getting ready to go to Atlanta. I was like 19 at the time. And I was like, ooh, I'm gonna get in my bag. I'm gonna wash my face real good the whole week before, and it was gonna give me like amazing skin, right? And then like I went and I got a wax and blah, blah, blah. And when I tell you, raw, your girl, the whole red, big, looking crazy on this trip. And it was like my birthday trip. We were heading to Aruba in Vegas, and it was an epic fail. So don't do anything harsh to your skin before getting a wax, eyebrows included. It kills me how I've been going to MAC all my life growing up, and them girls could never match me. I was NC 45 every time I walked in there. NC 50, we all the same color. Everybody in my family got the same color. I want to go ahead and set my foundation. Conceal. Oh, that look good. Gee. Me is looking kind of good. I like it. Hey. So what we said, what's step 1 through 4? Compliment, Instagram, stalk, invite on a date, repeat. That's it. I'm trying to grow out my lashes too, y'all, so that's why I'm not using falsies. I don't know why everybody was like, oh, well, not everybody, I can't say everybody, but I don't like the lip combo. What? I ain't wearing this lip combo since 2015. Shoot, maybe even 2012. No, 2015 for sure. Is it time to update it? I just love it. This is my combo. I'm waiting for y'all to like it. It look good to me. I love a little dewy, glowy, she sweaty look. Yeah, we don't get worries tonight. Press some of that in. What will we do with the hair? I think we are all good to go. It's cute. These braids are 2 months old. I got them in St. Martin for $200. I paid $440 with tip, and I still love them. But I like it. What y'all think? Good? Go out, go make friends.